Hi there, I'm with Phoenix Plumbing Company. We're your trusted local experts for plumbing services in Phoenix, and today we're answering a common question. Why is my water heater making noise? Let's break it down. Popping or rumbling sounds usually mean sediment buildup at the bottom of the tank. This is very common in Phoenix due to our hard water. Hissing or sizzling sounds could mean water is leaking onto hot components or that the heating element is burning out. High-pitched whining or screeching may indicate restricted water flow or a faulty valve. A noisy water heater might seem harmless, but over time it can lead to energy waste, leaks, or a full breakdown. If you hear strange sounds, it's best to have it checked right away. Call Phoenix Plumbing Company at 602-834-1208 or visit phoenixplumbing.co to schedule service today. We're family-owned and local. No corporate overhead, just honest service and affordable pricing. If your water heater talks, Phoenix Plumbing Company listens.